This is Lenny the Lawyer Live, and I want to ask you, why do you need an attorney to recover surplus funds in 2023? And do you even know how surplus funds come into existence? I'm going to explain all that to you. But first, I want you to realize that this video is designed for information and educational purposes only. This video is not intended to be legal advice, which can only be given in an attorney's office or through a secure video conference, not on any form of social media or any other online forum. Now, with all that behind us, let's proceed. Surplus funds is a very complex and highly technical area of the law. This is your one opportunity to salvage something from your home and what is left of it after this disaster has occurred. People that have lost their homes through foreclosure, in many instances, not only don't they know that surplus funds may exist that they can recover, they receive phone calls or letters in the mail from companies claiming all sorts of things to separate you from your money, claiming they can recover surplus funds for you. The fact of the matter is, they can't. Surplus funds is a legal, and the recovery of that is a legal proceeding. It is highly complicated and technical, and many lawyers are incapable of knowing what needs to be done and how to do it. Now, when you use an experienced surplus funds attorney, that avoids scam artists. Remember, I told you previously that surplus funds is a legal proceeding. Do you want somebody to try to help you that has only watched a series of YouTube videos or looked on social media or took some course by somebody that's not an attorney? Well, unfortunately, a lot of people are falling victim to that type of scam. So much so that the Attorney General of the state of New Jersey and probably attorney generals elsewhere have warned against surplus fund scams. They feel that people feel desperate. They feel there's no hope, and a lot of people don't even know that there might be surplus funds. Well, that's why you need me. I'm an experienced mortgage foreclosure defense lawyer. I can help you determine if there are surplus funds available, and if there are, how to recover them for you. This is not a simple or easy process. There's a lot of legal documents that need to be filed, searches that need to be conducted, and highly specific procedures that have to be followed. And if you have an experienced surplus funds attorney, not some scam artist, you have a much better chance of receiving surplus funds and the maximum amount of surplus funds that can be obtained in your specific situation. Now, I can't explain everything to you about surplus funds recovery in a short video. So what I suggest is that you call Leonard Boyer, attorney at law, to determine whether or not you have surplus funds, and I can be reached at 973-798-6131. I'll determine if you have surplus funds, and I will explain to you the process in greater detail and all the steps that have to go through in order to make that happen. Also, another reason not to use a scam artist is because you'll be left holding the bag. They can't appear in court with you. They're not attorneys. They don't know what to do. This is Lenny the Lawyer Live. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you spending part of your time watching this video, and I hope it was beneficial to you. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you click on the top of the bell icon and hit subscribe so you're notified about future videos. And if you have any questions about surplus funds, or any other legal issue, please leave your questions in the comments below. I answer all comments as quickly as I can, including yours, which is the most important. Thank you again for your time, and have a great day.